Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access a list of all the keyboard shortcuts that you can use while working in Google Slides. So if you go to Help and you scroll down to Keyboard Shortcuts, a little window will open up, menus on the left, and all of the available keyboard shortcuts show up in this big window on the right, which is scrollable. So if there's anything you want to do in Google Slides, and maybe you're just like, I do this so much, it's such a pain to always look through the menus to do it. If there's a keyboard shortcut for something and you do it a lot, it's usually a better idea to use the keyboard shortcut. It's much faster than going into the menus, which may have sub-menus once you get there. Keyboard shortcuts are just a really good way to work more efficiently when you're working inside Google Slides and other Google Docs.